Hi, it's Scott, and welcome to your virtual video walkaround. Super clean 2019. This is a Nissan, the Frontier. Stock number is 7495. Let's give you that up close and personal touch on a video walkaround. Does, of course, as you can see, have the Pro 4X package. This truck just has over 9,000 miles. Boy, that's absolutely super low for a Nissan. I'm going to show you the interior. This truck does have the 4.0 liter V6 dual overhead cam motor. Also has had a 150-point vehicle inspection for peace of mind driving. And you know Nissans, they keep going and going and going. Just like brand new. Does have the heated front seats. Nice embroidered front seats. Easy access to all the controls with an arm's length here in the front dash. This truck won't last long. For more info on this or any others in our inventory, it's huge. Give us a call, email us, text us. Better yet, come on down. We'd like to meet you in person and hopefully earn your business. Thanks for taking a look on your virtual video walkaround. Make it a great day.
Sunset Ford of Sumner, right on Highway 410. You just get more at Sunset, and people do like that.